I'm Juztin Shane. I'm from Malaysia. I'm currently doing theater in LBCC.
How has your experience been so far studying theater at LBCC?
So far it's been good. I like all the lectures. We've been watching plays, we've been writing reviews, so I like what we've been learning so far.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
Reviews class, because we get to watch a lot of theater performance and then we just gotta write reviews based on it. So we've kind of like critiques, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. So you're in the land of Hollywood.
Yes.
So does that make a big difference to why you chose LBCC?
Before I came here, I did my research too. So once I came to LBCC, I was brand new. I didn't know what kind of paperwork I needed and what qualifications I needed for my major. So when I came here, all the staff members, they're the one who took care of me. They told me, this is where you gotta go, this is what you gotta do. So for me, I was like, okay, since the staff are this good, the professors are probably way better. And they did not disappoint. My first semester here, the teachers were all good, the professors were good. I'm glad that I came here.